Hi, my name is Lueri. I'm going to explain crossover and straight-to cable. So first, I want to explain straight-to cable. Straight-to cable is a type of twisted pair cable that is used in local area network to connect a computer to a network hub such as router. On a straight-to cable, the wired pin mesh on both sides. Straight-to cable used in switch to router, switch to PC, and hub to PC. As for the color arrangement, as I said, the wired pin mesh on both sides, meaning the color arrangement will be the same on side 1 and side 2. As for the color arrangement from left to right, will be white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. That is for straight to cable. As for crossover cable, is a type of cable used to connect computing devices together directly, such as router connected directly to host PC. Unlike straight to cable, the RJ45 crossover cable uses two different wiring standards. One end uses the T568A wiring standard, and the other end uses the T568B wiring standard. Use crossover cable for switch to switch, switch to hub, hub to hub, router to router, router Ethernet port to PC NIC, and PC to PC. As for the color arrangement for crossover, side 1 will use white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. That is for the color arrangement from left to right for side 1. As for side 2, from left to right will be first one, white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, and brown. And that is all for me. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Abu and I'm going to show the tool that we need. First, we need 1 meter length of cable. We need wire stripper that I use to remove the insulation from electric wire in order to make contact. This is crimping tools, which a special device used to attach a connector to the end of a phone or network cable. Cabling continuity tester, which can test straight through or crossover type cables. RJ45 connector or a register jack is a standard physical network interface for connecting telecommunication or data equipment.
First, you need to cut the outer rubber layer, or also known as the jacket, using the wire cutter, and you will see 4 pairs of wires. Each pair has a solid and striped color, each of orange, green, brown, and blue. Separate the wires and you will have 8 individual wires. Then you will have to arrange the wires according to the color sequence that has been explained by my friend Leo. Arrange nicely and use a crimping tool to cut the wires neatly in a straight line horizontally. When you have arranged them properly, then get an RJ45 and push the wires into the connector, or also called as RJ45. Make sure each wire go in its own channel. Push the wires as far as it will go. Repeat all the steps on the other end of the UTP cable exactly. Make sure to get the color order right. Fit the plug in the crimping slot and stable the cable with one hand and use the other hand to squeeze the crimping tool hard. You will hear a click sound that indicates the plug is fastened onto the cable. Use a cable tester to know if the cable works properly. Plug one end of the cable you are trying to test into the input on the network cable tester. Plug the other end of your cable you are trying to test into the out input on the network cable tester. Turn on your cable tester.